Actually, I'm here to support SandMerit because today I've attended this training, KPI performance training. It's really benefit from me because I'm actually new to this HR field, and when it's come to this kind of systems that they have intro, it's really can say it's really extra method for me because I'm now taking a lot of time doing manually everything. So it's going to be a wider skills for me. And then today I actually learned a lot because the speakers itself is everyone have their experience before this. The sharing of the knowledge is really makes me a lot of difference from what we have been done before this, and it's going to be, I hope by attending this I will be improving my performance throughout the company.
One of the key points that I learned in this seminar is that how is it that you have been evaluating your staff for their appraisal, whether or not you have been evaluating them the right way or the wrong way, whether or not the way you appraise them is supposed to achieve your company KPI or not.
He gave me some idea that actually KPI is not just a punishment and reward, it's a link it to the employee development, improvement, and the last is more important part today. What I learned is that it should be linked to the company goal that makes a strategy. Overall, actually, KPI is related to 3 items. It means the first one is the punishment and reward. Secondly will be the development or improvement. The last one, the most important one, is the strategy. It's the one how we lead the company to be more sustainability and also to go to the next level.